Hello everyone, a very happy new year to you all. Actually I am making this video this year just to show you that I have made this Chandarathan corner in my house where I have kept all kind of my handmade items which I am actually selling. All are customized made. So I will show you one by one what all I am making so that if you want you can place order. I will start with these earrings. So I have made these traditional earrings. You can see I have made different kind of earrings and also the keychains. These are Evilai earrings. All are the traditional earrings. You can also you place order for customized earrings which you actually like, and I can write quotation made earrings also. As of now it is sold already, so I will make video on that and I will show that to you. So if you want you can place order for these kind of earrings. Okay, you can check. I will post pictures individually also, from where you can see actually how it looks. Next I will show you the name boards. So these kind of name boards I am selling, and these are handmade and hand painted. So I can customize name also, whatever you can tell me. And this is made by clay. These are made by clay. So this is also one kind of name board. I will show you more. You can check. This is the traditional name board, where you can tell me like which font you want to write the name, or in Hindi I can write it and give it to you. Same name board in which different color. Next I make this kind of small frames also. You can customize also with the quotation or painting. I have more. I will be making and I will be posting in my video. Next is these tea coasters, hand painted traditionally. You can see this kind of tea coasters I am making. These are the hanging which you can hang outside or in your balcony. Okay, this kind of khambangani I am making, and the name board will also come here. If you want you can write welcome or padharosa, anything you can tell me, I can write it for you. This is the another one. These kind of frames I am making for house. You can paste it anywhere, near entrance or balcony, anywhere you can paste it. These are just an example. This is the another name board Ram Ramsa. If you want to buy and hang it outside your house or door or in balcony. This kind of small hangings also I am making, made of cow. This is Kamdhenu cow. I make these kind of hangings also. Then these kind of fridge magnets I am making. Okay. These kind of fridge magnets I am making with a quotation, comedy quotations. See, in fridge magnets. These are also fridge magnet you can paste on your wall also. Then I have so many things, and hand painted diary also. If you want to order in a bulk, these hand painted diary for your office, I can do it for you. These are the small frames, I can customize it for you. Small canvases I have made. For cost you can contact me directly. These are the pendants. You can customize it for your lady friends, with their names. I can do it for you and deliver on time. But for any customization I need 10 to 15 days. Minimum 7-8 days I need it. So these are kind of home decor also I'm making. You can check. Then I make cards also. These are the customized envelope. If you want to order it for your friends or offices, I can do it for you. The Happy New Year card I have made, so I will make for you also, like new one as per the occasions. So these are the products. I have more to show you, but not in this video. I will show it to you like slowly. I will make the videos, and through which you can place order. And for any customization I need 10 to 15 days time, so because I will make and I will deliver it to you. Okay, so this is my Chandaratan. Hope you like it. So I made the corner for you. These are the jharokhas. You see, jharokhas for Diwali or any festival. Any customization is available. If you have something that you want me to make, you can show it and you can ask me whether I can make or not. So everything is possible with me. I can make all kind of gift items and home decor if you want me to make. Okay, so thank you for this watching me.